everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna check up my progress to my new baby, my beautiful lady, my computer. Today I installed my superior and beautiful fans. Here, right here, you see them. They're amazing, of course they're RGB. We have an RGB hub here, but right now I don't have additional power supply in order for me to show the effect of them, but that's in future. We have a couple of fan cables here and we're slowly doing the progress. Tomorrow I'm waiting my pump, my beautiful pump to come, and I'll put it into the computer case exactly here. You will see everything on the small b-rolls that I have prepared for you with this beautiful lady here. I can't wait to finish her completely, but you know, coronavirus and other stuff came on my way, and right now slowly we're gathering our power and our money to finish her, because she deserves the best and you guys also deserve the best. That's why the best computer will do the best content, right? Fingers crossed. One more thing I want to ask you guys about your opinion. What colors my fitting should be? I'm thinking about hard tubing, but I don't know if I should use clouded tubes or black tubes, or I should use normal PTG tubes that I can paint in some freaky color, or I can use some, you know, I really need some inspiration to come. That's why guys, if you have some inspiration, you can write down in the comment section. And I'm deeply thinking about fittings, what colors they should be, golden or silver, because you know my main beautiful masterpiece here, the Aros, my beautiful lady Z390 Aros O Extreme Waterfalls, this monoblock has silver on it, and I was thinking about silver. You know, she got old, but I still love her as the first day. I opened that box and I look with sadness at her saying, when are we gonna be together finally, darling? This beautiful masterpiece monoblock is the thing that we want to install in that case, which is from Rajintech, a new case. In case you have forgotten, you can check a video about it. I'm so excited and I'm waiting impatiently my pump to come tomorrow and to install it and to show you again, because we will do the Little Gabby's build series. That will be my build, and every step is important because you know we gotta keep grinding. And one more question before we recap this video: what should be the name of my computer? I am waiting for suggestion, and if I like it, the winner will get a free Windows key. Whoever gives the best name, I will give him a free Windows license key as a gift that he helped me to name my beautiful queen. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me in all social media.